Hi and welcome back to Makeup Mistress. Well, I'm Pamela and I'm here to share my new haircare routine that has changed my life totally. So as you can see that my hair is looking so healthy and happy and it has become so manageable these days. I have rough, dry, curly hair and curly hairs are generally rough and dry. But to my rescue, I have got L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5, which gives us solution to all 5 problems that we suffer from. The L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 has been in the market for a really long time, and I'm really nostalgic while saying this because I've seen so many advertisements and so many times I have visited the stores and I've seen the bottles out there, but this time they have come up with Keratin XS, which is the great thing for my kind of hair, which actually solved all the problems that I had because my hair is very dry and rough and it tends to break, and I get a really bad hair fall because of the dryness. And after using this beautiful product from L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5, I can't believe that this is my hair right now. It's shiny, it's healthy, it's bouncier, and it is looking so beautiful and it is feeling good. I can't keep my hands from touching my hair these days. I have been using all the 3 products very honestly because I think that when you need some result to show up, you need to use the whole range very religiously. That is what I am doing right now, and I have finished a lot of it, trust me, a lot of it, and I'll soon have to just restock my products. And let me just tell you that this has become way better than before, and it is going to solve all your hair related issues. And yeah, and true to the words, L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 problems, 1 solution. My hair has always been very dehydrated, rough, and frizzy, and they are sometimes like straws and they have stiffness and texture. And after using this entire range of L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 shampoo, conditioner, and the serum, which is now infused with Keratin XS that penetrates deep into the hair fiber and hence giving the most quick and effective results. My hair has changed instantly. I can feel, and you can also see the texture has changed. It has completely become shiny and very like full of life. Before it was absolutely lifeless, and my hair is curly, and which is why it is very dry, and I get a lot of hair fall issues because of that. It breaks because it actually ends up entangling. But with the range of this L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5, which has absolutely solved all my hair problems, which actually is up to the tagline, which is 5 problems and 1 solution. Absolutely, I swear by this product. After using the product for the very first time, I have realized that this product is going to, this entire range is going to change my hair game, and it has absolutely kept the words. I have felt immense good results, and I definitely highly recommend this to each and every one of you because it has the keratin XS in it, which penetrates deep into the hair, and hence it gives the effective results. And in no time, you can feel it from the first use itself. And yes, this is how it is. You can see definitely. So if you guys have been following me for a while, then you would know that I have great issues with my hair fall and the frizzy and dry. That was a main concern, but now you can see my hair does not have a lot of tangles. My fingers run through smoothly. Oh my god, this is something amazing, and I've never thought this would be with my kind of frizzy, damaged, dry kind of hair. My hair is very dry, like used to be very dry. But see, these days you can see that my hair shines and it is looking so healthy. My fingers just crosses it smoothly, so yeah, I'm absolutely superbly happy with my new hair care routine, L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5. So, guys, that was it for today. I hope you liked it and you have seen the transformation from my dry, frizzy, rough hair to this healthy looking, beautiful hair. And yeah, with that, I will highly recommend this product to all of you guys out there. And give it a try and let me know if you guys liked it. I know you will love this. So, yes, with that, I'll end my video here and I'll see you guys super soon with some new content. Till then, stay gorgeous.